Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you how to get this affordable glam. It's not quite winter appropriate, but I was feeling the bright lip and I didn't want to do a red because that is so overdone. Not overdone, it's classic for the holidays, but I want something a little bit different, so I opted for orange to blend with the orange I have going on in this spotlight cut crease on my eyes. But before we jump into the tutorial, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you aren't already, it's super easy. Hit the subscribe button down below in the description box. And if you want to be notified when I upload a video, hit the notification bell. So let's go ahead and dive right into this affordable glam makeup tutorial. So this is the finished look, you guys. Very easy, very simple, very affordable products. So be sure to check out all of the items that I used down below in the description box. So that way, if you are looking for some great affordable makeup that you want to try out, they'll be down there. Go ahead and peruse. Also, while you're down there, if you enjoyed this affordable drugstore, whatever you want to call it, makeup tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I know that you guys are enjoying more affordable makeup tutorials and I can make an effort to try and do more in the future on my channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!